Do you know what foods can naturally boost your testosterone levels? The answer may surprise you. Let's embark on a journey through the top 10 superfoods that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also give your testosterone levels a natural boost. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have beans. Not only are they a versatile addition to any meal, but they are also packed with protein, a key building block for testosterone production. Coming in at number 9, we have the mighty broccoli. This green powerhouse contains indole 3-carbinol, a compound known to reduce the female hormone estrogen, thus potentially boosting testosterone. At number 8, we find spinach. Remember how Popeye would flex his muscles after eating a can of spinach? Well, there's some truth to that. Spinach is rich in magnesium, a mineral that has been linked to increased testosterone levels. Next up, at number 7, we have the potent garlic. This aromatic superfood contains allicin, a compound that can help lower cortisol levels. With less cortisol in your system, your body can more effectively produce testosterone. Halfway through our list at number 6, we have the vibrant pomegranates. These ruby-like seeds have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and are known to increase testosterone levels and improve mood. Muscling its way into number 5, we have lean beef. This meaty delight is a great source of zinc, a mineral that plays a crucial role in the production of testosterone. Swooping into number 4, we have milk. A glass of milk is not only comforting, but also a great source of vitamin D, which can help keep testosterone levels in check. Swimming into the top 3, we have tuna. This fish is not only delicious, but also a powerhouse of vitamin D, which has been linked to longer life and testosterone production. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have egg yolks. These golden centers are rich in vitamin D, cholesterol, and omega-3s, all of which are essential for testosterone production. And finally, clinching the number 1 spot, we have oysters. These shellfish are not just a delicacy, they are also loaded with zinc, one of the most important nutrients for testosterone production. So there you have it, the top 10 superfoods for boosting your testosterone levels. Remember, if nature didn't make it, perhaps it's best not to take it. Eat well, live well, and let your food be your medicine.